Men don't derail loudly. They drift quietly.
Chris!
In this episode, we examine comfort, the kind that doesn't announce itself. If this episode feels uncomfortable, don't rush past it. Discomfort is often an indicator, not a problem. This season isn't about motivation or performance. It's about alignment, correction before collapse, damage. This season pulls you back onto the right line. Pause when something resonates with you. Pay attention to what resonates quietly. That's usually where the work begins. Correction isn't linear, my brother. Trust and believe. Comfort doesn't just feel good. It hides deterioration. Men don't usually fall apart from chaos. They drift. Comfort, it does not equal rest. Comfort is reduced awareness. Rest restores strength. Comfort dulls sensitivity. Rest sharpens. Comfort softens. Soft men stop inspecting. Proverbs 132 says, "The complacency of fools destroys them." Comfort masks warning signs. Emotional distance feels normal. Weight gain becomes just age. Marriage becomes functional, not intentional. Leadership jumps into routine, not management. Nothing looks broken when you stop checking. Men don't abandon standards. They lower them quietly. Comfort taxes. Marriage wounds compound unaddressed. Fatherhood. Presence without engagement. Faith. Activity without surrender. Body. Survival replaces stewardship. Comfort doesn't kill you fast. It lets you decay unnoticed. Growth requires intentional discomfort. Examples: asking the questions that you've avoided, revisit conversations you labeled handled. Comfort is not a reward. It's a warning light without sound. Where have you mistaken peace for neglect?